Guys, welcome back to a brand new late night video, and today we're going to be restoring a water tank semi-truck factory, and hopefully it turns out very good. And this is not a series, but let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and we are restoring a huge water tank semi-truck factory, and I'm actually very excited to do this. I just bought this brand new bulldozer and we get to use it today. So yep, you can clap your hands in the air. This thing, the bulldozer in the back, I'm pretty sure it's a Komatsu. So I'm excited to use it. We're not gonna be stuck behind slow people today, but today's probably gonna be like a 10-minute video. Right now it's probably at like a minute, I cannot see. But, no. We would have hit that. Oh no. Jesus. Gosh, darn it. Aw, please don't be stuck.
Time on Highway Through Hell.
Alright. Now we can go. You guys probably know that I get raged a lot on this channel. On Plus Gaming, it's pretty much a second channel, but it's on our channel. Plus Gaming is our Rennick gaming channel. And we are here. Oh, looks like there is a water and a big giant water tanks and some gasoline things. A nice house over there. Oh, here's the area. Oh, we can make a pathway with our dozer. So let's get out of this semi-truck. Run into that dozer. And we're gonna change it in dozer mode plow. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, it works. Guys, it works. This is so cool. And perfect. And in a little bit, in probably a couple days, we will get like asphalt to put in here and grade it all out, and then start back over again. Pretty nice. We got a couple of trucks in there. Rip that concrete away. Guys, this dozer is doing bigger than I expected. We're not even starting a company. We're just restoring the place because it hasn't been open in like 2 years, and they just wanted their parking lot done. So yeah, if this video can get 10 likes or more, maybe we can do like a restoring company, because we did the 1970 farm series, but that's a series and that's not my company. It's not even a company at all. So yeah, that was a great series. Oh, it's still a series on my channel. You guys should definitely go watch it. This is very, very good. We are almost done. I'm not sure if he wants this whole place with asphalt, but whatever he wants, I don't know. As long as I'm getting money, I don't really care. There we go. Alright, next Alright, we're gonna just get all this grass out of the way. Right over here. So yeah, I'll turn on some music for you guys, and I will see you when I'm done. And just like that, we are finally done. That was pretty fun, guys. If you guys want to see more restoring factories, what you need to do is like and subscribe. And yeah, we will see you guys on the next one. And hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye!